I have loved elephants since I was a small child. I don't know what it was about them, but I've always had a soft spot for this animal. I will never forget the first moment I laid eyes on a wild elephant. We were tucked in a remote corner of Africa, and we were alone with the world. Just us and them for what seemed like an eternity. That moment changed my life forever. Elephants are the largest living land mammal and an imposing figure on any landscape. African elephants like these can stand up to 11 feet tall and weigh up to 13,000 pounds when fully grown. So to keep them going, they may need to eat up to 600 pounds of fresh vegetation on a daily basis. But what makes them so unique is their trunk, and for good reason. An elephant's trunk alone has 40,000 individual muscles. That's 60 times more than the human body. This is one of the most unique adaptations on the planet. African elephants even have 2 fingers on the end of their trunk. They use it for everything from picking up delicate grasses to finding fresh water. But what fascinates me most about elephants goes far beyond the external. It is that despite their size, there is grace to them. This almost delicate, precise movement. Thought. Understanding. Contemplation. They show compassion, caring, and insight. They help each other in times of need and exhibit grief and loss comparable to few other species on this planet. It's as if there is an ancient wisdom hidden behind those amber eyes. These are the last moments I had with these beautiful animals. Perfect sunset and a lasting calm as the sun dips below the horizon.